everyone, Sawmill Charlie. Well, it is February the 25th. It's been 11 days since I've been in the hives to feed them. Last week I went out to St. Louis, Missouri to the Eastern Missouri Beekeepers Association conference. Had a great time, seeing a lot of my friends from my bee chat on Friday night, and we were able to get together and sit down and talk in person. Not too often we get to do that. So today I've been spot checking a few of my hives. Some of them are empty as far as any fondant in there, and they've been eating up the pollen patties that I had put on about 11 days ago. So today I want to get into the hives. I've got my pollen patties here, and we have some of Matt's magic fondant. And I have one hive in there that has a Hive Alive patty. I want to continue on with that, experimenting, see how the bees do with this. I'm sure they do well with it. Something else that I got is some super fuel fondant from Strong Microbials. It has Apis biologic in it, some probiotics, and of course the fondant. We'll see how they eat this also. So let's go ahead and get into these hives. All right, everyone, we're here at the first 10 frame hive. This is the one that had a pretty good sized cluster in it. I want to go ahead and open it up, take the lid off and the insulation off. We'll see what we have here. Got some bees there on the lid. Shake them down. I don't see a lot of fondant bags in here actually. So they must have ate it up. I'm going to go ahead and bring you up a little bit closer. All right, here we are. Pollen patties gone. Fondant patties gone. I'm not really sure whether they chewed the plastic out or just what. So we are going to give them a global patty, a whole pound worth. I've taken the paper off the one side, put it down towards the bees. I have a Matt's Magic fondant right here. I'm going to lay that on there and all that. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of Super DFM. Take and give them half a teaspoon there. Half a teaspoon there. And that's it. We'll go ahead and close them up. They're a little bit agitated. All right, let me go ahead and put your backs. All right, we're here at the next hive. Go ahead and take the lid off. 10 frame. Shake the bees down. And the fondant is almost gone, and then the global patties, pollen patties, is completely gone. Let me go ahead and bring you on up a little closer so you can see inside the hive. All right, we're here in the hive, and here's the paper left from the global patties. And here is a baggie. Pretty much completely gone for just a little bit. And Go ahead and take some of this burr comb out here a little bit. I'm going to give this hive a complete 1 pound patty. Like I said, I usually take the paper off that I put towards the bees. And here's the homemade fondant. Go ahead and put some Super DFM on. Hopefully that will take care of the viral loads within the hive. And we're pretty much done with this one. All right, let me go ahead and set you back up towards the next hive. All right, we're here at the next hive. We'll go ahead and open this hive up. Knock the bees down a little bit. Let me go ahead and bring you on up a little bit closer. All right, we're here and we've got a partial bag of fondant left, which is just about ready to fall out of the bag. And shake the bees out. And I'll go ahead and rake that out. We've got a pound pollen patty here where I put some Super DFM on it. They still got a fair amount of it. They kind of ate the center out of it. I'm going to go ahead and tear it into pieces. Take some paper off. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a fresh pollen, or a fondant patty on. Sprinkle a little bit of Super DFM on them. And I think we're good to go. Put the lid back on. And we're good. All right, I'm going to go ahead and move you on down to the next hive. All right, we're here at the next hive. Open it up. And it ate up all their fondant. Don't have to worry about taking any little residue out of that. There's some paper residue there, so they ate up the pollen patty. So I'm going to go ahead and put a pollen patty, a pound of it right there. Put the fondant bag. And throw a little bit of Super DFM on them. Clean off the little bit of the inner cover here. I'm not sure if this is going to fit. I might need to get a shim, but no, it's Has enough clearance there to take care of that. And put it back together. Well, everyone, I'm going to go ahead down the line here and finish feeding these bees up. Hope you enjoyed what I've showed you here so far today. So until next time, please like, subscribe, click the notification bell, share my videos with your friends, and have fun with your bees.